In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer to a wallet on eToro. I'll show you how you can transfer your crypto to an external wallet or to your eToro money wallet, and I'll also show you how you can withdraw your funds. So simply, if you want to withdraw, use the app or the website, log in and simply click on withdraw. If you want to transfer crypto to a wallet, what you want to do is you want to check if your crypto is transferable. So you need to have bought it and not shortened, and it needs to be non-leveraged. It needs to be not part of copy trading. And once you have done that, what you want to do is just open up your portfolio. So go to your portfolio. Inside of there, you want to find the crypto you want to transfer, click on the position, and then you want to click edit trade. In there, you should be able to transfer to wallet, and this will transfer it to the app called eToro Money. Now, eToro Money is an app that you can download on your phone, and once it has been transferred there, it can take up to a business day. But once it's done, your money will now be in the eToro Money app. Then from in there, you can choose if you want to transfer the crypto to an external wallet by going in there and click send into the external wallet, confirm it, and then it will be transferred to there. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.